Chili peppers, they come in all shapes, sizes and colors, each with its own unique flavor and level of heat. A staple in cuisines all around the world, chili peppers add a burst of flavor and a kick of heat to countless dishes. From spicy curries in India to tangy salsas in Mexico, these fiery fruits are beloved by chefs and home cooks alike. From the smoky chipotle of Mexico to the fiery ghost pepper of India, these little fruits pack a punch. Each variety has its own story, its own journey from the fields where they are grown to the kitchens where they are used. But have you ever stopped to think about how they go from farm to table? The process is more complex than you might imagine, involving a blend of traditional farming techniques and modern technology. It's a fascinating journey that relies heavily on technology. From the moment the seeds are planted to the time the peppers are harvested, technology plays a crucial role in ensuring a successful crop. Come on, let's take a closer look. We'll explore the fields where these peppers are grown, meet the farmers who tend to them and see the technology that helps them thrive. We'll explore the world of chili pepper production, from the planting of the seeds to the harvesting of the ripe peppers. Each step in the process is carefully managed to ensure the highest quality product. We'll uncover the methods and machines used to bring these spicy treats to your plate. From sorting and packaging to quality control, every detail is meticulously handled. Get ready to learn about the crucial role technology plays in ensuring efficiency and quality. Advanced machinery and automated systems help streamline the process, making it possible to produce large quantities of chili peppers without compromising on quality. This is the story of the chili pepper's journey from farm to factory. It's a tale of innovation, dedication, and the love of a little fruit that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people all over the world. The journey begins in the field. Rows upon rows of chili pepper plants bask in the sun. Their vibrant colors signal the approaching harvest season. But this isn't your grandpappy's farm. Gone are the days of handpicking every single pepper. Modern chili pepper production relies on efficiency, and that means machines. Massive harvesting machines make their way through the fields. These aren't your average tractors. They're specifically designed to remove chili peppers from the plant quickly and carefully. The Texas head harvester, for example, uses belts with rubber fingers to gently pluck the peppers without damaging the plant. Let's meet some of the key players in the mechanical harvesting process. These machines are the backbone of modern agriculture, tirelessly working to ensure that crops are harvested efficiently and effectively. Without them, the scale of today's agricultural operations would be nearly impossible to achieve. The pick-right harvester is a workhorse in the field. Known for its durability and efficiency, this machine can handle large volumes of chili peppers, making it a favorite among farmers. Its robust design allows it to operate in various field conditions, ensuring a consistent harvest. It uses a system of belts and rubber fingers to efficiently remove peppers from the plants. These components work in harmony to gently yet effectively separate the peppers from the stems, minimizing damage to the produce. This technology has revolutionized the way chili peppers are harvested, significantly reducing labor costs and time. Older models relied on inclined belts set at a 45-degree angle. These machines were groundbreaking in their time, providing a mechanized solution to what was once a labor-intensive process. The inclined belts helped to guide the peppers into the collection bins, a method that, while effective, has since been improved upon with modern technology. These machines are a testament to the ingenuity of agricultural engineers. Each component, from the belts to the rubber fingers, has been meticulously designed to optimize the harvesting process. Engineers continually refine these machines, incorporating new materials and technologies to enhance performance and reliability. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Newer models are constantly being developed, featuring advanced technologies that further improve efficiency and reduce the environmental impact of farming. These upgrades include more precise control systems, better energy efficiency, and enhanced durability. Remember those robotic arms you see in car factories? These highly versatile machines are now being adapted for use in agriculture. Their precision and reliability make them ideal for tasks that require meticulous attention to detail, such as harvesting delicate crops. They're finding their way into agriculture too. These robotic arms can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks, from planting seeds to harvesting crops. Their adaptability and precision are transforming the agricultural landscape, making farming more efficient and less labor-intensive. Robotic harvesters equipped with cameras and sensors are being tested in fields as we speak. These advanced machines can analyze the crops in real time, identifying the ripest peppers and ensuring they are harvested at the perfect moment. This technology not only improves the quality of the produce but also maximizes yield. These machines can identify ripe peppers and pluck them with precision, reducing waste and improving efficiency. By using advanced algorithms and machine learning, they can adapt to different types of crops and field conditions, making them incredibly versatile tools for modern farmers. It's a glimpse into the future of farming. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions to emerge, further transforming the agricultural industry. These machines represent the cutting edge of farming technology, paving the way for a more efficient, sustainable and productive future. Section 4. Preparing for the pantry, the post-harvest journey. Once the chili peppers are harvested, the journey is far from over. The peppers are transported to processing plants where they undergo a series of transformations. Think of it like a spa day for chili peppers. The first stop is the cleaning station. Here, the peppers are tumbled and washed to remove dirt, debris, and any lingering leaves. Next, they're sorted by size, color, and quality. Some peppers might be destined for the fresh market, while others are prepped for drying. Section 5. Ensuring quality, the importance of technology. Technology plays a crucial role in this post-harvest process. From the moment the chili peppers are picked, technology ensures that each step is optimized for quality and efficiency. Advanced machinery and equipment are used to handle the delicate produce, minimizing damage and preserving freshness. One of the most impressive pieces of technology in this process is the optical sorting machine. These machines use high-resolution cameras and sophisticated algorithms to analyze each pepper in real time. They can identify and sort peppers based on size, color, and even detect subtle imperfections that the human eye might miss. By detecting imperfections that the human eye might miss, these machines ensure that only the best quality peppers are selected. This level of precision is crucial for maintaining the high standards expected by consumers and for ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality. This ensures that only the highest quality peppers make it to the next stage. The sorted peppers are then moved along the production line, where they undergo further processing. Each step is carefully monitored and controlled to maintain quality. Drying is an essential step for many chili pepper products, especially if they're going to be turned into powders or flakes. Large industrial ovens are used for this purpose, employing controlled heat and airflow to dehydrate the peppers while preserving their flavor and color. These ovens are designed to maintain a consistent temperature and airflow, which is crucial for achieving the desired moisture level. The drying process not only extends the shelf life of the peppers, but also concentrates their flavors, making them more intense and aromatic. This process can take several hours or even days, depending on the desired moisture level. The end result is a product that is ready for further processing or packaging, ensuring that consumers receive the best possible quality. Section 6. A look towards the future. Innovation in chili pepper production. The future of chili pepper production is ripe with exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where drones survey fields, identifying pests and diseases before they can wreak havoc, or picture robots working side by side with human farmers, increasing efficiency and reducing the workload. Innovations in gene editing, like CRISPR technology, hold immense potential for developing chili pepper varieties that are resistant to disease, drought-tolerant, and produce higher yields. These advancements could revolutionize the industry, making it more sustainable and ensuring a stable food supply for the future. Section 7. Final thoughts from farm to table, a technological journey. So, the next time you spice up your meal with a dash of chili powder or bite into a juicy jalapeno, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. It's a journey powered by technology, from the fields where they're grown to the factories where they're processed. The humble chili pepper is a testament to human ingenuity and our ongoing quest to improve food production. And as technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting developments in the world of chili peppers.